morning, guys. It's Monday, past 5 a.m. in the morning, and we kind of woke up very early this morning. Probably because we slept around 9 p.m. last night, which is good. I'm just waiting for the water to boil so that we'll have coffee. Today we have a long day, and I want to bring you along with me. So today is a Monday and it's another day of work. Always black coffee in the morning. And I think I haven't mentioned that I've been undergoing driving lessons. This is like the 4th week of doing it, and I'm having a drive test next week. And if I become successful, I will have a driving license, which is a long time coming. It's obviously after 6, and guys, we are getting ready to catch the bus. Let's roll. It's always a struggle to find space on the bus in Honiara during workdays. Everybody is rushing. Workers trying to get to their jobs and students heading to school. So the buses are often overcrowded. So looking for soda water. First thing for me at work this morning is trying to find some appliances for our office. I got in so early and the places are still closed, so I'm just gonna chill out here. I'm having soda water, like tonic water or something, while waiting for the shops to open. And talking about the soda water, I just need to let you guys know that I'm currently trying to practice intermittent fasting. So I don't eat in the morning till later in the afternoon. So currently I'm on an OMAD diet. That means I have one meal a day. I used to be on the diet before, so it's not really challenging. Talk about doing anything to lose weight. I think I've recently gained a lot of weight, so this is very much something that I really want to work. Well, on that note, in the afternoon, I am going to attend my driving class. And tell you what, it's not really a pleasant experience. If the instructor is watching this, sorry for mentioning this, but it's kind of challenging for me to kind of grasp some driving concept. The way some of these instructions were delivered were kind of, let me find a friendly word to use, were kind of hard for someone who has never driven a car before. I find it really challenging to maintain a calm spirit during the driving lessons. The instructor sometimes they seem frustrated in me, getting the concepts and all this. But having said that, I think the problem is also something to do with me. I need not to give up and keep learning. The day flew by, and I didn't manage to film the rest of it. Before I knew it, I was back on the bus heading home, taking a moment to reflect on everything that happened today. Guys, we just got home, and if we could talk about the driving today, I think it was bittersweet. Bitter in a sense that I still need to work on a few things, and it was also sweet. Sweet in the sense that the instructor was kind of very understanding, and I feel like he wasn't that bad after all. So let's keep our hopes alive.
After making dinner, my cousin and I set off to take care of a few chores around my place.
If if you enjoyed watching this, consider becoming a member. Membership has been turned on and you can find out details in the description box. The good thing about becoming a member is you will have the chance of seeing some other behind the scene footages of me doing content for you on this channel. From me, Harold, thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.